chocolate over, you're going to be downing it.
That's why I can't wear skinny things.
All right, ready?
Like some mom told me not to.
Hey, everyone. I am Katie Talbot.
Hey, why would you do that to me? I have my mouth full of cheese.
That's exactly why I'm doing it.
I'm Jason Catron.
And we are Vocalab Collective.
That was the rudest thing you've ever done to me.
I know. I wanted to spring that on you.
Really not the
Did
rudest
you feel
thing.
sprung? I'm on a roll.
What is that song? I get sprung.
No, I'm sprung.
No, that's not the one I'm thinking of. You get sprung. There's like a... We've got to find that. We're going to find that. There's so many great songs from the 90s.
There's so many great songs.
So many great.
But
you know what's funny is?
songs,
You know what's funny?
What's funny
When
is
you think about the songs of the 90s, like there was
so inappropriate.
And we didn't know.
And we loved them. And look at us. We
I
turned
know.
out great.
We're fantastic.
But what are we watching today?
Today, we're going to the land of Dimash. But until then, before then, not until then.
Well, if you want to watch it, you better hit that subscribe
That's right.
button.
If not, you can't get in. That's
you want to
entry.
watch that Dimash?
You got to hit that subscribe.
Mm-hmm. Facebook and Instagram.
And TikTok.
And TikTok.
All the things.
All the things.
Cheers. Let's go to Dimash.
Ooh,
You ready?
Dimash Stranger.
Katie.
Yeah.
Спасибо. Спасибо огромное. А теперь прозвучит новая песня. Примерно.
Okay, all
So
these
many
girls
beautiful
are
women.
gorgeous.
Oh my gosh.
Holy cow.
Is this a model convention? Like, what the heck?
Seriously. You want to go, Jason?
Yeah. Ooh, that's a cool instrument. It's like a half apple with strings on it.
It's juicy.
Yeah.
Juicy.
No, it's a really cool instrument. I don't know where it is. I love an epic moment.
Same. They all have mics. They gotta be. They're all singing. They're the choir too.
I'm part of it.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Just a
Come
little
on,
whisper.
Dimash. Ooh, it's so just right there.
Oh, so gentle.
Oh. Such a performer.
Such a performer.
What? Even his piano player's like, what's that? So beefy.
I mean, so beefy.
He's been
But he started so light.
He's been 3 different voices at
Three
this
different,
point.
maybe 4.
Maybe 4. Yeah.
It's almost like a Aladdin-ish, Prince of Egypt.
Yeah, totally. It's very like ethereal and
Yeah.
mystic, right? Voice 5 coming in. Oh, voice 6.
There's Desert Rose for you.
Yes. Great call.
I mean,
That's voice 8 or 7. I don't know where I am. I've lost count.
and then Mariah shows up.
And he's back down.
Is he married?
Yeah, he is.
I didn't know that.
Uh-huh.
Control is unreal.
I know. I love a good ice sculpture, too. Now he's in Les Mis all of a sudden. It's like, what the heck?
I know. The characters. Is that a G? F sharp.
It's an
Can't
F
lean
sharp
back,
for
it's
like
so hard
a.
to-
It's like an F sharp for like a 16 count.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Wow!
I mean, literally, he used his entire voice like crazy.
Can we get you to sing this and see that happen?
I mean,
No, that was insanity.
wow.
So many voices.
But you
It's
know
like
what?
it's like the bipolar singer.
Yeah, the
It's
healthy
like
bipolar
the
singer.
healthy bipolar singer.
But you know what I loved is I actually think my favorite was how he started. I think that was my
Yeah,
favorite.
mine too. That
I mean, he's insane.
just that raw,
yeah, I love that.
basic,
I'm
just
very fond
right
of that in singers.
there.
Yeah,
It was like we were talking like this.
yeah, and it just isn't dry. But
It's
then
like
he has
this is what you like about him. He's right here. That was fantastic.
that was so good. Wow, the suggestion.
I mean,
And
Dimash.
wow, the beautiful crowd.
Yeah, such beautiful people.
I gotta see who
Listen.
his wife is.
Dimash, you're a beast of a singer. We know this.
Yeah,
It's not our first rodeo with
not our
Dimash.
first rodeo.
We have
But
ridden.
every time our reaction is like still
I know.
like insanely
no
amazed.
matter how many times we ride Dimash. we're
Yeah.
Like, wait, that didn't sound right. No matter how many times
Tell me
we
about it.
react to Dimash.
He's a married man, Jason.
He
can't be riding him.
defies the odds.
Oh, 1,000%.
Yeah, he's just
Every time.
insane.
He's one that reaches for more and more and more every
Yeah,
time.
totally,
Every
totally.
time.
And the payoff is
Insane.
ever so sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's ever so sweet. This was incredible. Incredible. Katie,
Jason,
we did this together.
we did it together.
Dimash, we did it with you. All you out there, we love you.
Woo, we love you.
Until next time, I'm Jason Catron.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we're no strangers to
The Vocal Lab Collective.
or you.
You.